transitions between quantum states are not always going to be allowed. There are what we know as selection rules, and this we'll talk more about this when we get to spectroscopy. But in the case of high atoms, the selection rule is that for a transition to occur, delta L must be equal to plus or minus 1, and delta M must be equal to 0 or plus or minus 1. You can summarize the allowed transitions with a diagram that looks like this. The one here on the right is called a Grotrian diagram. You'll notice here on this diagram you have the energy levels. This is the 1s, there's 2s, that's 2p. Okay, so you have your s orbitals levels indicated here. So that's L equals 0, L equals 1 for p orbitals, L equals 2 for d orbitals, L equals 3 for f orbitals. Notice that there are no s to s transitions, so that if you were to think about going from 2s to 1s, that's not allowed, because that would constitute a delta L equal to 0. Okay, so so the n equals 2 to n equals 1 transition must be due to a transition from the 2p orbital to the 1s orbital.